Hi everyone. Welcome back to our SQL training series. In today's video, we're tackling question 12, non-manager employees who earn a manager-level salary. Let's start with the structure of our data. Each row in the table gives information about an employee, including their name, salary, department ID, and their manager's ID. Employee ID is the primary key. Here's the question. Report the non-manager employees who earn at least the salary of a manager. And remember, we should exclude managers from the result and return names in ascending order. Let's look at a sample input. In this example, the lowest salary among all managers is $5,800. So we want to find non-managers whose salary is greater than that. Please note the president is above manager level and should be excluded in the result. The following is the expected output. Notice how these employees are not managers but earn salaries equal to or higher than managers. Now let's see how we can write this in SQL using subqueries. This query filters out employees who are managers, then compares their salary with the lowest manager salary. There are 9 records in the results. We can also write the same logic using common table expressions, which improves clarity and efficiency. We break the logic into 3 steps. 1. Identify all manager IDs. 2. Find the minimum manager salary. 3. Select employees who are not managers and earn above that threshold. Both approaches return the same result. But which one is better? Common table expressions are often more readable and maintainable, especially when reusing the same logic, like filtering managers in multiple places. If you do not like to use common table expressions because of more coding, it is better to use the following query to improve performance. Replace not in with not exists, avoids issues with nulls and is often faster. Use distinct manager ID to reduce unnecessary duplicates. Alias tables for readability and possible optimizer improvements. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.